G'day everyone, my name's Jackson Bill. My role is based in New Zealand, technical sales consultant for New Zealand. I've been involved with Levanta since the beginning in New Zealand, since it started, and that's just gone 12 months. Our core market in New Zealand is the heavy vehicle transport, and we've had a couple of good wins in there as well. There's been no way that this New Zealand branch would have been able to take off like it has without the full support of the team, going from Lester and Carl, and then Bradley on the sales front, and then the others helping out in the assistance and marketing as well. An exciting part about being part of Levanta is the customers we get to work with and interact with. Often the hard-working, backbone, genuine Kiwi kind of guy over here. They put in the long hours and they appreciate a good quality product, which is something we've been able to offer and bring to the table.